Okay, let's be honest. Having a car in New York City doesn't make any sense. It's expensive, it's hard to park. What if I want to enjoy the lakes, the nature, take some fall pictures? It's almost impossible to go there without a car. After a few hours of digging, I came across this interesting option which is called Circle Line Cruises. And I immediately booked the trip for this weekend. With no expectations, I invite you to join me and discover what they can offer. Let's go! I booked a Circle Line Oktoberfest cruise to Bear Mountain, and it was such a fun trip. The boat goes up the Hudson River, and you can see amazing fall colors and beautiful views the whole way. On the cruise they have German food, a few types of beer, and live music for the Oktoberfest celebration. The ride takes about 2.5 hours, and when you arrive, you get time to explore Bear Mountain State Park. You can walk around, see the lake, and enjoy the fresh air and nature. It's really nice because the cruise is round trip, so you don't need to drive or worry about transportation. For me, it felt like a short vacation outside the city, but still very easy to do in one day. Especially if you are visiting New York City, I really recommend this trip.